Okay guys, for this video is I want to experience and what I want to share. I have a water boiler and this is not hot anymore. So even though the power is on, the water is not hot anymore. So I'm going to open up from behind here. You can use any screwdriver to open up. Then we open and see what are the things inside. It's very interesting. And so we have to remember all the connector position. So which wire is connected to which pins and which color we have to keep in mind, and we have to remember. And we need to remove all this connector, and we check the PCB board. It's a little bit difficult, but I have to manage to remove all the connector. So make sure that you remember which connector is connected to which pins. That's very important when you install back. And so this is PCB board, this is a controller, and it's look good, everything is fine. The capacitor is good and the relay is good, and we didn't see any burn from behind. This is IC and everything is good. So this is very important. This is temperature controller, is thermostat. So most of the time this will spoil, but we have to check either still have connectivity. Once you check with multimeter, if this thing is still have the connectivity, and that means this is good. So now we can hear the sound, which means this is good. There's connectivity, so the thermostat is good. And here's the fuse as well. The fuse, of course, the power is on, and this fuse is good condition. But when we install back everything, the power is on here, but it's not hot. So the possibility is only the heating element inside. You can test to make sure here this is not hot anymore, but we have to switch it off for safety. So this is, we confirm this heating element, this is already burnt out. So whenever you turn on, whenever you use, you must not on without water. This cause very easy to damage. So we need to replace this heating element. Make sure you order the correct size, right? This is the heating element. This will make it heat, and this will make it hot to make it boil the water, right? So I buy the new heating element and I install with this. So remember all the connector, everything's in good condition. And so now this is in good condition, I can use it. So now my water heater is working properly. So I hope if you face this before, and you can try in this position. Alright, thank you for watching my video guys.